Okay, so in Terrain Mixer 4, you can easily do something like this from something like this. And the trick is in the new version of MaskGeo. So basically you have an object like a sphere, which you can then manipulate and move around like so. And you see that terrain changes. So for example, you can do a canyon or some sort of a empty space where your architecture will be, something like that. So it's very simple to use. You can even have multiple objects. So for example, I could add a cylinder here and move it around, and I can affect the terrain beneath like so. Now you can also affect this area beneath the object, so they can either be clean, flat, or they can have this sort of influence of height source. It can also be a different height source to the one you're editing. So for example, I can change how much it affects the masked surface. I can also adjust the sharpness. So you can have these sharper edges here. Yeah, if you want to know more about Terrain Mixer 4, check the links below.